I got 4 Gameboys and a game at a yard sale for just $20. Each one has something different wrong with it, so I'm gonna try to fix them. I've already fixed 2 GBAs and a game, and today we're going to be taking a look at this GBA SP. The screen has dead lines, so let's try to fix it. I'll start by disassembling the console. If you want to follow along, I'll list any of the tools I use in the description as well as the music credits for this video. There are 2 different causes for this type of screen issue. One of them's fixable and the other isn't. The first cause of this issue is if the ribbon cable was detached from the screen. This can be fixed by using a soldering iron on low heat and reflowing the ribbon cable just like you would to fix a DMG. The second cause would be if some of the glass from the screen broke and ripped the traces. This, unfortunately, is not fixable. Let's hope that this screen is able to be saved. I'm going to open up the screen to see the condition of the ribbon cable. After plugging it in, I can see that unfortunately the glass is cracked and this screen will not be repairable. Luckily it's only for my collection and not for anything I'm going to sell, and I'm totally okay with this little defect on the screen. Now I will clean the board with some isopropyl alcohol. I will also wash all of the plastic components in soapy water. I'll now reassemble the Game Boy. I unfortunately was not able to fix the screen on this device. However, it's only for my personal collection, and it really didn't bother me too much during gameplay, so I'm still happy with the results. Because it's an AGS 101, the screen is still beautiful even with the lines. I know I'm going to be using this device a lot, and I'm grateful to add it to my collection. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.